At the Amazing Picks, I don't just list tools, I actually use them. These 5 battery-powered leaf blowers have held up over time, not just in light cleanups, but in real yard work through tough conditions. Greenworks delivers serious power for big jobs. Ryobi impressed me with how quiet yet strong it is. Makita is ideal for lighter, regular use. DEWALT is simple and reliable, and EGO comes closest to replacing a gas blower. I only recommend what I'd personally use again, and these are the blowers that earn that trust. Number 1. Greenworks 80-volt cordless, brushless Axial leaf blower. Out of every battery-powered leaf blower I've tested, this one continues to impress the most for raw output and dollar-for-dollar performance. At 730 cubic feet per minute and 170 miles per hour, it's not just powerful on paper. You can feel it in your arm the second you pull the trigger. I've cleared dense, damp leaves, small twigs, and even compacted yard waste without having to make multiple passes. And that's important, because the less time you spend going over the same area, the more runtime you save. The 80-volt brushless motor gives it torque you usually only find in gas blowers, but with far less vibration and zero exhaust fumes. It's noticeably quieter than older cordless units, and the turbo and cruise control features are well-tuned. No lag, no awkward surging. One thing to know, this is a tool-only model, so you'll need a Greenworks 80-volt battery, but if you're already using their mower or trimmer, it's a no-brainer addition. For less than $100 when on sale, you're getting commercial-grade airflow in a residential-friendly package. I've used it through 3 full fall seasons now. It's still running strong. Number 2. Ryobi 40V Whisper Series HP Jet Fan Blower. I first tried this blower because I was skeptical of the Whisper Series branding, but I'll admit, Ryobi wasn't exaggerating. This is easily the quietest battery-powered leaf blower I've tested that still delivers professional-level airflow. At 730 CFM and 190 miles per hour, it's comparable in power to the Greenworks, but runs around 57 decibels, which makes a massive difference if you're working early morning or in close-knit neighborhoods. Where this blower really earns trust is in consistent performance. I've used it on mulch beds, gravel paths, and heavy wet leaf piles. It moves debris efficiently without blowing everything sideways like some overpowered blowers. The variable speed trigger is precise, and the turbo boost adds just the right amount of punch when needed. It's a bit heavier than average, but well balanced. You do need to purchase the Ryobi 40-volt battery and charger separately, which bumps up the cost. But if you already use Ryobi outdoor tools, it integrates perfectly. Over 2 fall seasons, I found myself grabbing this more often than I expected. Quiet, strong, and extremely well built. Number 3. Makita 118 Brushless Cordless Blower Kit. This is the battery-powered leaf blower I grab for everyday jobs where control and comfort matter more than brute force. It's not the most powerful on this list, but it's by far one of the easiest to use. At just 6.5 pounds, battery included, it's balanced enough to use one-handed, and that's not something you can say about many blowers in this category. With 459 CFM and 116 mph, it's more than capable of clearing dry leaves, clippings, and light debris from patios and walkways. Where it really shines is in tight spots and around landscaping, places where too much airflow might throw mulch everywhere. I also appreciate Makita's variable speed control and cruise lever. Smooth, responsive, and reliable even after months of regular use. Another advantage here is system compatibility. The included 4.0 amp-hour battery and charger get you up and running immediately, and they work across dozens of other Makita 18-volt LXT tools. If you already own Makita gear, this is one of the smartest additions you can make. I've used it regularly over the last year and haven't run into a single issue. Number 4. DEWALT 20-volt Max XR Leaf Blower. This is the kind of tool I recommend to homeowners who want something quiet, compact, and reliable without going overkill. It weighs only 5.4 pounds, and while it doesn't have the highest CFM numbers, 450 CFM at 125 miles per hour, it delivers solid, consistent performance for typical yard cleanup. What I appreciate most is the balance and ergonomics. I've used this blower for clearing garage floors, decks, and light leaf buildup on walkways. It handles all of that without straining your wrist or dragging the job out. The Axial fan design helps extend runtime, and the included 5.0 amp-hour battery gives you about 25 to 30 minutes of moderate use per charge. You can stretch it longer on lower settings. I've been using DEWALT tools for over a decade, and what stands out here is reliability. The brushless motor is efficient and long-lasting, and the entire body is tough enough to take drops and rough use. For someone already invested in the 20-volt max battery system, this is a very practical, no-regret buy. Number 5. EGO Power Plus V650 CFM Cordless Leaf Blower. This is the battery-powered leaf blower you buy when you want top-tier performance without switching to gas. I've used the Ego LB6504 through 3 full fall cleanups now, and it's never underperformed. With 650 CFM and 180 miles per hour, it moves heavy leaves, wet grass clumps, and even pebbles off hard surfaces. But what sets it apart isn't just power, it's refinement. The variable speed trigger, lock-on control dial, and interchangeable cone and flat nozzles give you more control than almost any other blower. I've used the cone nozzle for narrow areas like porch corners and the flat nozzle for broad driveway sweeps. It works exactly as intended. It's not the lightest blower out there, but it's well balanced, and the included 5.0 amp-hour 56-volt ARC lithium battery offers up to 90 minutes on low and 30 to 45 minutes on variable use. For anyone serious about yard work, this is the closest cordless option to commercial-level performance I've tested. It's also backed by a strong warranty and Ego's growing ecosystem of outdoor tools. Final thoughts. Choosing the right battery-powered leaf blower really comes down to how and where you plan to use it. After working with all 5 of these over extended periods, through fall cleanups, weekly maintenance, and unexpected heavy debris, I can say with confidence that each has earned its place based on consistent, real-world performance. The Greenworks 80-volt stands out if you need raw power and want to cover large areas quickly without spending a fortune. Ryobi's Whisper series surprised me with how quiet it runs while still moving serious air, making it one of the most neighborhood-friendly options out there. If you're after something lightweight that doesn't wear you down during regular cleanups, Makita's 18-volt LXT blower is probably the most comfortable and easiest to control. DEWALT's 20-volt XR blower hits the mark for simplicity and reliability. It just works when you need it to, especially for light to medium yard tasks. And then there's the EGO Power Plus. If you want the closest thing to gas performance in a cordless format, it's the one to get. In the end, the best battery-powered leaf blower is the one that meets your needs without overpromising. These 5 have proven themselves where it counts, in actual hands-on use, week after week, season after season.